ready to immortalize your Minecraft masterpieces and share your thrilling adventures with the world. First, fire up OBS Studio. If you don't have it, download it from UBS Project €. It's totally free. Now, let's create a scene specifically for Minecraft. Look for the Scenes panel. Usually in the bottom left, click the plus icon and name your new scene. Maybe something creative like Minecraft recording. Next, we need to add a source. Head over to the Sources panel. Right below Scenes, click that plus icon again. This time, choose Game Capture. Give it a descriptive name, like Minecraft window. A new window pops up in the Mode dropdown. Select Capture Specific Window. Then, in the Window dropdown, find and select your Minecraft game. Make sure Minecraft is running. Leave the other settings at their defaults for now. We can tweak them later. Click OK. You should now see your Minecraft window displayed in the OBS preview. If it's too big or small, don't worry. Just click and drag the red handles around the edges of the Minecraft window in the preview to resize it. Time for crucial settings. Click the Settings button. Usually in the bottom right corner, go to the Output tab. Here, you can adjust the recording quality. I recommend setting the output mode to Advanced for more control. In the recording section, choose your recording path where the videos will be saved. Select your encoder. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, try NVENC H.264 for better performance. Adjust the bitrate. A higher bitrate means better quality, but also larger file sizes. Start with 10.0 kbps and adjust as needed. Now, jump to the Video tab. Set your base canvas resolution to match your monitor's resolution. For output scaled resolution, you can choose the same resolution or scale it down slightly for better performance. 60 FPS is ideal for smooth gameplay footage, so make sure that is selected for your common FPS value. Almost there. Click OK to save your settings. Back in the main OBS window, click the Start Recording button. Dive into Minecraft, record your epic moments, and when you're done, hit Stop Recording in OBS. Congratulations! You've just recorded your Minecraft gameplay with OBS Studio. Find your video in the recording path you set earlier. Now go, create, and share your adventures with the world.